In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set alerts for any indicator on TradingView. Now you might be wondering why you need alerts. Well, alerts are crucial for staying up to date with market changes without needing to constantly stare at your screen. So let's dive into the simple steps to make sure you never miss a beat. First things first, head over to TradingView's homepage. TradingView is a powerful platform where you can track various markets and customize your charts with numerous indicators. Once you're on the page, go ahead and find the search bar, typically located at the top of the page. This search function will allow you to look up any market or asset you're interested in. In our case, let's type Bitcoin in the search bar to bring up the Bitcoin to US dollar chart. After your search, you'll see a list of options. Click on the one labeled Bitcoin US dollar. This will take you to a live chart for Bitcoin against the dollar, where you can apply your desired indicators. Now look for the indicators option. It usually looks like a little graph icon above the chart. Click on it and this is where you can search for and add indicators to your chart. Once your specific indicator is added, focus on whatever key level or point you're interested in. On this live chart, we'll see various options laid out to you. We are particularly interested in setting alerts. Usually you'll find an add alert button located near the top right corner of the chart or sometimes along the left-hand panel depending on your view settings. Click on it. A box will pop up that allows you to customize your alert. You'll choose the condition. In our example, it could be based on price crossing a particular value. So set it to crossing, then enter the specific price point you'd like to be alerted of. Feel free to customize any other alert settings to your preference, such as setting notifications to pop up on your desktop, mobile, or via email, and determining the alert's expiration time. After setting your preferred conditions, confirm everything is in place. There will be a summary of the alert settings you've established. Double check these details, as it's important to ensure you're being alerted in a way that aligns with your trading or investment strategy. Finally, hit Create to save your newly configured alert. Just like that, you've successfully set an alert for your chosen indicator on TradingView. Now, you can feel more at ease knowing you'll receive prompt notifications whenever there's significant movement with the asset you're tracking. That's all for today. I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to try this out with other indicators and markets to make the most of TradingView's features. Thanks for watching and happy trading.